Welcome to How to Start a Business in 2022. I'm 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐞, one of the head creatives here at the Toronto studio. And what I want to cover is, we're entering a new year of possibility, a new year of opportunity, and you may want to start a business. How do we start a business effectively to get you to where you want to be, come year end in 2023 with a thriving business? So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is an idea. If you can't come up with an idea, there's plenty of lists online of business ideas that you can start within a set budget, which brings us to our next part, is setting a budget to cover the startup cost of your business. Now, the startup of your cost of your business can vary based on the business idea, which is why business idea generation is so crucial. From there, you need to find a way, find out if there is a demand for your business, right? If there are people actively looking for, searching, or wanting to utilize your product or service, right? And that requires a great deal of research. So you're going to look online, you're going to see if there's any customer reviews, go on Amazon, see if anyone's selling it, etc., etc., etc. Now, after that, you're going to want to create what's called a SWOT analysis. Right now, this might be a little technical for some, but it's okay. It can be very basic to start. And a SWOT analysis is a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your business. So what's the strengths of your business? What is the weaknesses of your business? What opportunities are there for your business? And what are the threats to your success as a business? And then you're going to create a list, because now you're going to know how to solve those problems and what to do in the next part, which is marketing your business, right? So the first thing you're going to need to decide is, if it's an online business, what website platform am I going to use to build my business website on? And I personally recommend Wix. I think it's a fantastic platform. I know there's a lot of debate on that. I prefer it over WordPress and Elementor and Squarespace and all of them. Has a great built-in backend and analytics, so I recommend that for e-commerce. Shopify is also up there. There are some challenges, but we'll cover that in a different video. And then the next thing is, now that you have this website, how are you going to tell your business story in a way to market your business? Now, is it going to be social? Is it going to be blog posts? Is it going to be e-blasts? Is it going to be YouTube videos? What is that? How are you going to educate people and tell people what your business is, where they can find you, and how they can buy your product or service, right? So you have the website, great. You have your idea, great. Now you got to market it and tell people where you are and how they can get you, right? How they can get a hold of you. And then the next stage is, you're going to need to figure out how you want to grow this business, right? So let's say, hypothetically, you're selling socks, right? Cool novelty socks. And is it going to be an Amazon shop or a website? You pick one of the two. Am I going to be just taking photos of these novelty socks and posting them up on Instagram and Facebook and hoping they're going to buy? What am I doing to, and now, am I doing both? And is there going to be shipping involved, direct shipping? Is it going to be drop shipping? Am I going to find people, social media influencers, to wear my socks to promote? And how am I going to scale up the business, right? So these are all questions that you should be writing down and asking yourself. And you actually don't need the answers to these questions right away. It takes time to start a business, but by asking these questions and coming up with these answers, you can start finding solutions to the problems that you're going to need to solve later down the line when building your business out in the real world, right? And that's the key here, is knowing how to build your business in the real world. You should be educating yourself at least 15 to 20 minutes a day on the business you want to start. What have other people done that are doing your business? What has made them successful? What marketing methods have they used? What logistics message services have they used? What shippers? What, do they use a website? Are they on Amazon? Are they on both? And start just building a wealth of research so that you can build a stronger foundation around your business. And then once you have that all set up, it's just a matter of having your website maintained so you can sell and distribute your product or service, investing in SEO so that people can find you, search engine optimization for those of you who don't know what it is, posting on social every single day so that you can get there, and just being patient. Being very patient and understanding it takes time. It takes time to launch a successful business, and that you shouldn't feel like, you need to do everything right away. It's a learning process. And when you can understand that it's a learning process and that it's okay to try, fail, learn, repeat, grow, your business will succeed over time. Okay? But the trick is starting, asking those critical and crucial questions that we did in this video, writing down your answers, and then formulating a plan and the people who can help you get to where you want to be, so that, in 2022, when you launch your business, you're moving. It's going great. So those are the pieces of advice I have for anyone looking to start a business in 2022. I hope you found them helpful. Please check out my website, thetorontostudio.com. We have a bunch of freebies and blog posts on people trying to start a business successfully, as well as a series of services that allow for business growth. I'm 𝐿𝐸𝐿. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll answer them. And if you want a specific video made for your business, just let me know and we'll do it. Thanks. Bye.